Okay, so it's the middle of a downpour, and they happen. They happen. Torrential downpour. Yeah. And then, see, oh, can't see. But if you look out in the water, you might see my husband snorkeling. Why not? The storm comes through, and he's like, I'm gonna go snorkeling. I don't know if you can see him on this video. It's ridiculous. Right under the top of the edge of the palapa, up there. Oh boy. And then my big red dog. Hey, Big Red. Grande row. Grande row. Yeah. We get a dog every time we're in Mexico. And supposedly we go snorkeling in the middle of a rainstorm. Guess what? It's all water. You're wet anyway. And the waves are crazy. And he's crazy. Whatever. What do you think, Rojo? Yeah, Big Red.